Hello, brothers and sisters in Christ. I'm excited to announce a new opportunity for my subscribers on Core Fidelis. Starting today, I'm offering Ecclesiastical Latin classes that start from scratch and help you deeply understand how the language works, step by step. Viewers have been asking for these classes for years, and they're finally coming to fruition. Thanks be to God. The plan is to include the following: unlimited access to multiple videos with step-by-step instruction, beginning with Ecclesiastical Latin 101 pronunciation, covering all the fundamental aspects of the language and introducing people to much of the depth and beauty of this great language from a professional Latin and theology teacher, me. Second, access to scheduled live streams and chats in which you can ask questions and get direct, immediate one-on-one feedback, and more. In order to access these, viewers will be asked to pay a small fee for a membership. YouTube requires that I have at least 2 membership levels, and I chose the lowest possible cost for level 1. Of course, if you don't wish to join with a membership, you can still watch all my usual content. You'll only miss out on my Ecclesiastical Latin 101 class videos and chats. Thanks again for being a subscriber and part of our community here. I deeply value your feedback, prayers, and support for this work for Christ, for souls, and for my family. I hope you find this to be the best deal running for having your own live personal Latin teacher. May God bless you, et oremus pro invicem.